السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الكريم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربي زدني علما. Today's topic is about pronouns. Dhamir. Pronouns are used to refer to a noun that has already been mentioned. It is a replacement for the names used. There are three groups in pronouns: first person, second person, third person. Qaibun, third person. Huwa, he, here, she. Dual form for they, huma for both genders. Plural form for they, hum masculine, hunna feminine. Mukhatab, second person. Anta, you masculine, anti, you feminine. Antuma, you two for both genders. Antum, you all masculine, antunna, you all feminine. Mutakallim, first person. Ana, I, nahnu, we. Let us see some sentences using singular pronouns. عائشة من باكستان هي مديرة في المكتبة. أنت من الهند؟ أنا ممرضة في المستشفى. أنت امرأة جميلة. Aisha is from Pakistan. She is a manager in the library. Are you from India? I am a nurse in the hospital. You are a beautiful lady. For plural pronouns, we use plural demonstrative pronouns. أولئك, those. هؤلاء, these. من هؤلاء الفتية الطوال? Who are these long young men? هم طلاب جدود. They are new students. من أولئك الفتيات? Who are those young women? هن أخوات رزاق. They are Razak's sisters. أأنتم أطباء من اليابان? Are you all doctors from Japan? لا, نحن أطباء من الصين. No, we are doctors from China. Identify the pronoun group in which the noun in the sentences belong and fill in with huwa, hiya, hum, hunna. Let me do 3 sentences for you. Man hada rajulu. The noun ar-rajulu is a singular third person masculine noun, so we use huwa as replacement. Aina talibatu. At-talibatu is a plural third person feminine noun, so use hunna as a replacement. Man ha'ula'il fityatu. Al-fityatu is a plural third person masculine noun, so use hum as a replacement. Here's an activity for you. Try it yourself. Translate with pronouns. Examples from Al-Quran. وَأَنْتَ هِلٌّ بِهَذَا الْبَلَدِ بَلْ نَحْنُ مَحْرُومُونَ قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ جزاك الله خير.